Sup guys, Juggalo here. I got some goodies. I wonder what it is. Let's go ahead and check out what kind of goodies I got. I have more goodies coming in on Monday or Tuesday, and I'm hoping that everything is at the bottom here and peanuts are not going to fly everywhere. So just give me a second to do that. Also, keep in mind I'm the only one here, so I have to make sure the camera angle is correct anytime I make a cut or anything like that. Alright, perfect. Okay, now we got to be careful because I got some individual stuff that can get lost pretty easily. What the heck is this? Oh, okay, cool. I know what this is. Alright, I got some monsoon fittings right here. Let me see if I can pull them out. So, there's the bling bling right there for the green build. And also, if you look right here, let me make sure the camera's right. There's the green acrylic. I have it pre-cut out. The first piece that you see is a piece I accidentally messed up on, but I said, hey, I just want to see what it looks like, and then the piece behind that is the actual piece that will be going on to the window itself. So, it's pretty sweet. Alright, first up we have some compression fittings right here. They have some nice O-rings. They have black or green. And I'm going to have to see if they already have O-rings in them or not. I hope they do, so let's go ahead and check it out. And looks like you have to implement your own O-rings, meaning you have to install it, and it looks like they got some plastic goopy stuff that I need to take some alcohol and wipe that off. So you can use black or green O-rings for it, it looks like. Also, it has a little wrench here, and you can just stick it in the barb like that and turn it tight like that, and then you tighten the collar like so. So it's pretty nice. Okay, and it also looks like the individual ones do not come with any O-rings. So here, let me open this up and I'll show you. It looks like it, but I might be wrong. So if you buy them individually, the O-rings are actually stuffed inside the barb itself. So that's good. That's very, very good actually. So I got two extra ones right here. We have channel molding, which is for your window right here. And then this right here should be the backplate to the water block I got. And here's the water block right here, and of course there's peanuts that are staticky to it. Alright, now let's check out the easiest one to open up first, I guess. So this right here is the backplate. It's like 20 bucks, and this is what makes the board, I should say, look badass. So here is the motherboard, or I should say GPU backplate, excuse me, of the XSPC water block for the GTX 670. So it's telling you what to do, like so, and it's just saying make sure to put this into place, blah 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 blah. It says use an M3 screw and nut to put it into place, because the thing is with the most water blocks, they don't come with stuff like that. So I'm hoping that the water block that I have actually comes with the screw, because mine is long screws. So here you go, you get nice screws right here. Let me go ahead and lower it down a little bit. Screws, and here's the back plate right here. This was like 20 bucks I think. So here it is in the wrapper and everything. Okay, and then of course you get thermal pads, and these thermal pads can be sometimes a pain in the butt to undo. And what I mean undo is actually take the plastic stuff that is covering the thermal pads itself. Okay, so that's done. Next up, we have the GTX 670 water block by XSPC. Got this water block because, you know, it's decently priced. You're going to get decent performance, and pretty much all water blocks for the GPU generally are going to perform about the same. They took the same styling from the XSPC Raystorm series water block. It uses 0.05 millimeter spacing for cooling, so that means that it will have better performance compared to the other ones, which were 1 millimeter. And here are all the lovely mounting stuff, your blockers and all this stuff for the direction of water flow you want, like so. You get TIM, you get thermal pads right here, you get two 3 millimeter LEDs right here, and I think the standard on all XSPC's blocks and or CPU blocks are blue, so that is the standard. Now here is the meat and potatoes of this build right here for the most part, and it is really wrapped pretty good, I have to say. So it has bubble wrap around the block to ensure no damage will occur. It has silica in it to get any kind of moisture that will happen. So go ahead and open that up, and I'll show you what I mean by the different mounting options. Man, this block is definitely a pain to undo. Okay. One thing I like about this block is that it shows the main contact points. Unlike other blocks that I have seen machined, it's pretty flat, doesn't have the raised area. Alright, now there are two 3 millimeter holes. One should be on this side right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's right there. And there's another LED on the other side, which is right here. And the whole side lights up either blue, green, red, whatever kind of LED you decide to put this on. Also, the reason why I chose this water block is because you have 7 different mounting options, and here are 2 holes right here, there's 2 holes right here, and there's 2 holes right here. So you have a whole bunch of mounting options for your tubing and everything, which is awesome and great, I have to say. So you can make your tubing clean as possible when you mount a GPU block. So I hope that other manufacturers will take note of what XSPC is doing and doing something innovative, in my opinion. Okay, now as you can tell, this area has somewhat been cleaned and then trashed again. This is all my tools and stuff right here. My wife was nice enough to get me a lamp so I can see, because the lighting here is absolute garbage. Then also I bought a drill press at Harbor Freight, 70 bucks. You can't beat that. So that's pretty awesome in its own right. And I guess that is it for the most part. And as always, comment, subscribe, rate this video, click that like button. Guys, have a great day.